Engineering failures do not start from materials. They start from systems. Steel structure environments are complex, not determined by a single factor. Installation phase is the highest risk phase. Most failures happen at system level, not material level. Steel-on-steel conditions create heat accumulation, vibration transfer, stress coupling, and drilling instability. Drilling is a system interaction process, not just a cutting action. Torque, force, vibration, and alignment propagate through the structure. Cutting function does not equal structural function. Functional separation is the core engineering logic. Cutting end is designed for penetration and thermal resistance. Structural end is designed for load transfer, alignment, and vibration suppression. FASTO does not design fasteners as products. FASTO builds fastening systems. Engineering logic focuses on system stability, repeatability, and consistency. Stability emerges when cutting and structure are coordinated. Engineering reliability is created by structural coordination and system consistency. Repeatability, system stability, and real site performance define reliability. Systems, structures, stability, engineering.